Has this ever happened to you? You worked hard, you prayed. That quiet voice inside said, "This time it's going to happen." Maybe it was a dream job, an opportunity you had waited years for, or just a moment you believed would change everything. And then, rejection. No closure, no explanation. Just the hollow ache of rejection. It hurts, not just because it didn't happen, but because you truly believed it would. You trusted the process, you showed up fully, and still it slipped through your hands. That's when the fear starts. What if it happens again? What if I'm not enough? But you are not alone. In Mahabharata, Draupadi, a queen and a woman of fierce dignity, was rejected, humiliated in the middle of a royal court. Everyone turned away, even those who she thought would protect her. But in that moment of complete helplessness, she let go of everyone except Krishna. She stopped trying to control, she stopped shouting, and simply surrendered. And that's when Krishna came. Not a moment earlier, not a second too late. Because surrender is not giving up, it's saying, "I trust you more than I fear the outcome." In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 18, श्लोक 66, Krishna says, "सभी प्रकार के धर्मों को त्याग कर तुम केवल मेरी शरण में आ जाओ, मैं तुम्हें सभी पापों से मुक्त कर दूंगा." This verse teaches that beyond all worldly responsibilities and moral dilemmas, the ultimate path to peace and liberation lies in the total surrender to the divine, in trust, devotion, and letting go of ego-driven control. Sometimes rejection is not a punishment, it's protection. It's not the end, it's redirection. And Krishna assures you, when you surrender, you are never truly rejected. You are being rerouted towards something higher, something better aligned. But still, it's okay to feel heavy. When you wanted something so deeply and it didn't happen, it leaves a scar. But maybe now is the moment to pause and ask yourself, did I give it my all? Was I honest with my effort? If the answer is yes, then remember, in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, श्लोक 47, Krishna says, "तुम्हारा अधिकार केवल कर्म करने में है, फल पर नहीं." You have the right to perform your actions, but not to the fruits of those actions. You were never asked to control the result, only to give your full and sincere effort. And if you did that, you have already succeeded. Maybe that no wasn't the universe closing a door. Maybe it was Krishna whispering, "There is a different path I've carved for you. Just hold on a little longer." The detour is sacred, and your journey is not on a pause, it's being divinely rearranged. Trust the path that Krishna has designed for you, because He sees what you cannot, and He holds you even through the rejections that feel like a heartbreak. What you think is a delay is actually Krishna bringing all the pieces together.